Hi everyone, in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to set up a Chrome remote desktop. Okay guys, if you want to remote PC from another one, you should first set up Chrome remote desktop. Okay, first at the beginning you should start the following steps. We have the admin PC, the PC that which I want to remote from, and the target PC. First I want to log in our Gmail account. Second, download and set up the Chrome remote desktop. Third step, generate a code for sharing my PC. And the admin one, which I want to control or remote another PC, I want to log in my Gmail account. Okay, and enter the generated code in the remote Chrome remote desktop website. That's it. I don't want to set up or download the Chrome remote desktop. Okay, that's it guys, let's start. Okay, first go to your browser, Chrome browser, type Chrome remote desktop. Okay, don't worry about the link, I will put in the description below the first one. Okay, here guys, first get support. To let someone else access and control this computer, click the download button. Okay, click here to set up the Chrome remote desktop. Add this extension, add extension, Chrome remote desktop extension for Google Chrome browser. Okay, it's about 15 megabyte. Wait a moment to download this extension. Okay guys, the extension, Chrome remote desktop extension, it's downloaded. Okay, click here, accept and install. Okay, click yes. Okay, the installation steps finish it. Okay, okay, go to remote access. We have remote support and remote access. Set up remote access, click turn on, enter a name for your computer. Okay, next, enter a PIN. Okay, start. Okay, starting this device. Okay my friends, as you can see, my target PC, it's online now. We can access from another one. That's it guys. Now I have a extension, as you can see in the top. I can anytime access by click in the top right in Chrome remote desktop extension, and my PC appear here, internet PC. So guys, I can from any device access to this PC Okay, that's it guys. We want to connect to this PC from another one. Okay guys, simply to connect from another PC to this one, simply as you can see, log in your Gmail account. You can log in from the same Gmail or another one. Okay, enter the generated code. You can get the code from remote support. Click generate code here. Wait a moment. Okay, as you can see, this access code, click copy. Okay, now paste this access code in the admin PC or the PC which you want to remote from. In the give support, right click and click paste and click connect. Some message appear in the windows here in the target PC, tell you if you want to share this PC, and the connection will be successfully. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.